Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add authors of Wix. Let's get started. So right now, I'm on the blog website that I created. Now from in there, you can see on the left sidebar this blog option. So let's click on that. And then from in there, you will be able to see this writers right here. So we click on writers. And then from in here, you should be able to see the writers that you already have. So just click on this add writer right here. And then from in there, click on the one that is appropriate to you. You can invite a new writer that can log in to contribute to your blog, or you can also create a writer profile that can be credited as the writer of post. So just click on the one that you want, and then from in there you should be able to see this. So just name the writer. So let's name it Tiara. And then let's name their title as author. So let's put author right here. You can also add in their profile picture. When I click on this one, you'll be able to add an image. So when you click on this, you'll be able to see images from the Wix gallery. You can also upload your media, but for this one, I'll just add a default image in order to support this tutorial. Then after that, click on save. Then once you have clicked on save right here, you should be able to see them on the list of writers right here. So just refresh this site right here. And then once you have refreshed that site, you will be able to see the stats, writers, and authors that you have right here. So here's the writer that we have. Then after that, it's all done. So that's our process. I hope this video help you to add authors of Wix. If you have found this video helpful, then leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.